Having trouble with Facebook's two-factor authentication? Let's get your login security working smoothly. Are you logged out because of two-factor authentication or just setting it up? Let me know in the comments. If your authentication app is not working, try the codes Facebook provided when you set up two-factor authentication. Keep them somewhere safe. Not receiving SMS codes? Check your phone's block list, then request a new code after 5 minutes. For lost devices, use your recovery codes or click Need Another Way to authenticate on the login page. Set up multiple two-factor authentication methods like both an email or SMS so you always have a backup option. To turn off two-factor authentication temporarily, go to Settings, then tap on Security and Login. But I don't recommend disabling it permanently. Working now? Give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.